Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. So this is lesson number 2, revision. Okay, children. In the last week I sent revision lesson number 1. This is lesson number 2, revision. So this is a poem, The Engine Song. First main hard words. First one, travel, T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. Second one, railway, R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway. Third one, listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. Fourth one, engine, E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Fifth one, though, T-H-O-U-G-H, though. Sixth one, slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y, slowly. Seventh one, later, L-A-T-E-R, later. Eighth one, journey, Journey, journey. Ninth one, requires, Requires, requires. Tenth one, pulling, Pulling, pulling. 11th one, singing, Singing, singing. 12th one, quietly, Quietly, quietly. 13th one, thought, thought. 14th one, spreads, Spreads, spreads. 15th one, along, along. Okay, children. So these are the hard words. First main. Now second main. Answer the following. First one, how does the engine pull you up a hill? Answer, the engine pulls you up a hill with its will. TH the ENGINE, engine. PULLS, pulls. YOUUP, up. AHILL, hill. WITH, with. ITS, its. WILL, will. The engine pulls you up a hill with its will. Second one, how does it go up a hill? Answer, the engine goes up the hill slowly. TH the ENGINE, engine. GOES, goes. UP, up. TH the HILL, hill. SLOWLY, slowly. The engine goes up the hill slowly. Third one, what does it sing while going up a hill? Answer, the ENGINE, engine. SINGS, sings. ITHINK, think. ICAN, can. ITHINK, think. ICAN, can. The engine sings, I think I can. I think I can. Fourth one, how does the engine go down a hill? Answer, the train goes down the hill easily as it does not require pulling. TH the TRAIN, train. GOES, goes. DOWN, down. TH the HILL, hill. EASILY, easily. AS as IT, it. DOES, does. NOT, not. REQUIRE, require. PULLING, pulling. The train goes down the hill easily as it does not require pulling. Fifth one, what does the engine sing while going down a hill? Answer, the engine sings, I thought I could. I thought I could. TH the ENGINE, engine. SINGS, sings. ITHOUGHT, thought. ICOULD, could. ITHOUGHT, thought. ICOULD, could. The engine sings, I thought I could. I thought I could. Okay, children. So these are the question answers. Next main, match the meanings. So in the A side, first one they are given quiet, second one travel, third one require. In the B side they are given make a journey, needed, calm. So you must match that one. So for first one quiet, so in the B side, third line calm is there, CALM calm. So you put there 1. Second one travel. So in the B side, in the first line, make a journey is there, you put 2. Third one require. Means in the B side, in the second line it is there needed. So you put there 3. Now I will say the correct answer. Quiet, calm. Travel, make a journey. Third one require, needed. Okay children. Now next main, write the opposites for the following. First one pull, push. PUSH push. Second one slowly, fastly. FASTLY fastly. Third one down, up. UP up. Little, more. MORE more. So these are the opposites. Once again I am going to repeat. Pull, push. Slowly, fastly. Down, up. Little, more. Next main, write plurals of the singular words given below. Hill, HILL, hill. Hills, HILLS, hills. Second one song, songs, SONGS, songs. Third one engine, engines, ENGINES, engines. Fourth one train, trains, TRAINS, trains. So for plural you must add S only. Song, songs, engine, engines, train, trains. So full spelling it will be there. Only for that one you must write that full letter word and you must add S there. Okay children. Next, write rhyming words for the given words. First one hill, will, WILL, will. Hill, will. Second one slowly, quietly, QUIETLY, quietly. Third one along, song, SONG, song. Fourth one pull, bull, BULL, bull. Fifth one still, hill, or you can write pill, 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 or HILL, hill. So these are the rhyming words. Once again I am going to repeat that one. First one hill, will, WILL, will. Second one slowly, quietly, QUIETLY. Third one along, song, SONG, song. Fourth one pull, bull, BULL, bull. Fifth one still, hill, 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 or you can write pill, PILL, pill. Next main, rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. So here the letters are unscrambled. It's not in the proper way. We must write in the correct order. So it will make meaningful words. First one, NGEIEN. So here the letters are unscrambled. So the correct word is engine and the correct spelling is ENGINE, engine. Second one, VARELT. So the correct word is travel. The spelling is TRAVEL, travel. Third one, NOSG. So the correct word is song, SONG, song. Fourth one, NOUREYJ. So the correct word is journey. Spelling is Journey, journey. Fifth one, Lwaiayar. So the correct word is railway. The spelling is Railway, railway. So these are the rearranged letters. So once again I am going to read that spellings. First one, engine, Engine, engine. Second one, travel, Travel, travel. Third one, song, Song, song. Fourth one, journey, Journey, journey. Fifth one, railway, Railway, railway. Okay, children. So these are the revisions for the second lesson, that is poem The Engine Song. Okay, children. So those who have not written in the classwork, please you see this video and write in the classwork, complete the classwork. And those who have already written in the classwork, you practice in the rough note. Okay, children. Any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. Okay, children. Thank you, children.